How to deactivate Instagram account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will learn how we can deactivate our Instagram account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to deactivate our Instagram account, open up the Instagram application, log into your account. Tap the profile icon from the bottom right to come to profile page. Tap the three lines option from the top right hand side. Go to account center. From here simply go to personal details. Then go to account ownership and control. Then go to deactivation or deletion here. Then after that select your Instagram account. Then all you have to do is select deactivate account, which will already get selected by default, so you might leave it at that. Tap and continue. Final step would be to simply enter your password. Tap and continue and your Instagram account will get successfully deactivated. Anytime you want to reactivate it, you can try to log in. This way you can deactivate Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.